Alright guys, this is probably the cheapest and quickest functional mod for the VB WRX. It's replacing the interior fuse cover with a coin box or storage box. Here it is. Just pull the cover straight out. We'll pop it right on the rail. Voila, you're done. You can put your key fob, money, business cards, or whatever you want in here. Not too shabby for about less than 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. This comes with the sticker for the layout of the fuses to put on the back of the box. But at the time of this video, it does not include the one for the 2022 or VB WRX. So we'll be keeping this old cover in the glove box, just in case we need it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button for more VB WRX videos.